Hello everyone, in this video we will learn what is highest common factor and how to find out the highest common factor of two or more numbers. So first we will learn what are common factors. Let's take an example. Suppose we have two numbers 18 and 24. So first we will write down all the factors of 18. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, and the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay, now we will circle the common factors of 18 and 24. Okay, so 1 is common in both, 2, 3 and 6. So what are common factors? Factors that two numbers have in common are called common factors. Okay, now the common factors of 18 and 24 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, among these all common factors 6 is the largest common factor. Okay, so what is highest common factor? The largest number among all the common factors. All the common factors is called highest common factor, or HCF. Okay, got it? We can find the HCF of two or more numbers by using following three methods. Okay, so first method is by finding common factors. The second method is by prime factorization method. Okay, and the third method is by long division method. Okay, so by using these three methods we can find out the HCF of any two or more number. Okay, so first we will discuss how to find out the HCF of two or more number by finding common factors. Okay, so first method is by finding common factors. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose you have two number and you have to find out the HCF of these number. Okay, so first we will write down all the factors of 20. Okay, factors of 20. So what are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now we will write down all the factors of 40. Okay, so what are the factors of 40? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Okay, now we will circle the common factor of 20 and 40. Okay, so 1 is common in both, then 2, then 4, then 5, then 20 and then 10 and then 20. Okay, so what are the common factors of 20 and 40? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay, among these factors 20 is the highest factor of the common factor. Okay, so HCF of 20 and 40 is 20. Okay, because this is the highest common factor of 20 and 40. Okay, so second method is prime factorization method. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose we have two number and we have to find out the HCF of these number. Okay, so first we will prime factorize these number. Okay, so first we will prime factorize 12, prime factorization of 12. Okay, so to prime factorize it we will divide it by, first we will divide it by 2. So 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are 6, and then 3 1s are 3. Okay, so the prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now we will prime factorize 24. Okay, so prime factorization of 24 is, so again we will start with smallest prime factors which can divide it exactly. So 2 12s are, now it is again divisible by 2, and this number is also divisible by 2, and then 3. Okay, so the prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now we will circle all the common factor of these number. Okay, so the common factor of these number are 2 2 2 and 3. Okay, so the common factors of 12 and 24 are 2 2 and 3. Okay, now to find out the HCF, we will just multiply these number. Okay, so the HCF is equal to product of common factors. Okay, product of common factors. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 3, so 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So the HCF of these number 12 and 24 is 12. Okay, third method is by long division method. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose we have three number and we have to find out the HCF of these numbers. So first we will find out the HCF of any two number. Okay, so I am taking 15 and 20. So we just start dividing these numbers. 15 ones are 15. Okay, so 10 minus 5 is 5, and this is 0. Now this remainder will become divisor and this divisor will become dividend. So we will divide 15 by 5. So 5 3s are 15. So the remainder is 0. Okay, so the last divisor, which is 5, is the HCF of 15 and 20. Okay, so the HCF of 15 and 20 is 5. Okay, now the second step is we will find out the HCF of 5 and 25. Okay, so find HCF of 5 and 25. Again we will divide these numbers. So 25 by 5. Okay, so 5 5s are 25. Now this is 0. So this last divisor, which is 5, is the HCF of 15, 20 and 25. Okay, so the HCF of 15, 20 and 25 is 5. Okay, now some fact about HCF. So the first is HCF cannot be greater than any of the number. Okay, suppose we have two number 4 and 8 and we have to find out the HCF of these numbers. So HCF of these number is 4. Okay, so HCF cannot be greater than any of the number. It can be equal, it can be smaller, but cannot be greater than any of the number. Okay, now the second is HCF of any consecutive number is 1. Like HCF of 2 and 3 is 1. HCF of 3 and 4 is 1. HCF of 4 and 5 is 1. So HCF of any consecutive number is always 1. Okay. HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. Okay. Let's take an example. The HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. HCF of 8 and 10 is 2. Okay, so the HCF of any two consecutive even number is always 2. Okay,